Hey everybody, it's my new toy, the NuX Loop Core Plus, or Bonus, or whatever it is, Deluxe. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little run through this thing. This is a track that I did the first day I got it, pulled it out of the box. There you see it looped right there. So, that took me all of about 40 seconds. Alright, we're going to take a real quick look at all the features here. This is very easy to use. This is your basic on and off switch. If you hit it once on a brand new track, the red light will turn on and you'll know you're recording your first loop. Okay, if you hit it twice, it'll stop. Not only will it stop, it'll stop in 3 different ways. And if you hit this button on the stop and read the directions, you can tell that it'll stop directly on where you stopped it. It could finish the loop, or it could fade you out, which is cool. I've never seen anything like it. It's cool. So anyway, that's the button. If you hit it, if you hold it down, you're going to erase what you just did. If you have a stopped sequence and you hold it down, it'll delete the whole sequence. Now, speaking of that, they have this cool delete and save button. So if you really like what you did on one, mind you, there's 99 of these. If you like it, then you save it. If you go back through it and you don't like it, you hit that button again for a longer period of time, then you can delete it off your list. This thing records 8 hours worth of music, 8 gigabytes, and it's got 99 storage places, and this is awesome. So I'm going to give you a little demo on how the whole thing works. Alright, so we're going to get started here. Just plug the thing in. There has a 1 there. That's telling you which sequence you are on. You are on sequence number 1. So as you can see by the dot on there that I've already got something recorded on there. So I'm going to just bypass that. And I'm going to go to a blank one. You'll see a blank number. And there won't be a dot. So that means there's nothing recorded on that track. So we'll just go to number 2. Now, it's got this really cool feature on it. If you tap that button, it'll start your drum track or your click track to the exact tempo you put in there. Now, the other great thing about this pedal here, you push this drum button right that's clicking, hold it in, and then you can scroll through all these drum sets. And there's a bunch of different drum patterns, like 40 of them. Most of them are pretty stupid, but there's some good ones. So that's a pretty cool one. I like that. Number 29, African. Now, I've got a volume control for that drum track right here on the machine. And I also have a volume for the loop track that I'm going to put on. Okay, so now, with that already stored there, alright, that's going to start recording as soon as I want it to. So, we are going to, that's going to save it in number 2. And we're going to start that little loop, and I'm going to just play something. Now, I've got both these keyboards hooked into a main 8-channel mixer, and it's all coming back through the monitor out into this. So anything I throw in that mixer can come out into this in loop. Okay, so let me see if I can get this to work the first time. So I'm just using my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly like I wanted to. So I hit it twice and it shuts off. it stops playing. So that didn't work. I wanted to hear the drums while I was recording, but I've got a pretty good sense of time, so the thing tracked right with me. All right, so right now, I hit that button. It plays back what I first did. Now, I hit it twice, and it stops. That is the drum machine that is built into this to use as a click track. That's all it's there for, okay? So now, as soon as I hit this again, if I hit it once, I get an orange light that tells me I'm overdubbing. So now I can add a bass part. Hit it again. Now I'm not recording. I hit it twice and it stops. So now I've got those two, and including my vocal because my voice is going through here. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.